There was a bright and colorful village near a green forest. The morning was peaceful and the sky was blue. Flowers were blooming and the village felt safe and happy. In the village lived a loving mother goat. She had 7 little baby goats. The baby goats were playful, cheerful, and full of joy. The mother goat called her children close. She spoke seriously, but with love. She said, "Do not open the door for strangers." The 7 little goats listened carefully. In the forest, a clever wolf was hiding behind trees. He was watching the house and thinking quietly. He looked sneaky but not scary. The wolf came to the wooden house door. He pretended to be kind and gentle. The baby goats looked through the window and felt worried. Inside the house, the 7 little goats talked together. They used teamwork and smart thinking. One goat pointed toward the door, and they stayed brave. The mother goat ran back toward the house. She looked strong and determined. The forest and village were behind her. The mother goat hugged her 7 little goats. Everyone felt safe and happy. The home was full of joy again. Always listen to your parents. Stay united with your family. Together, you are strong and safe.